Are we on the air? Oh, good. Good evening. How's everybody on YouTube doing? I'm hoping you're doing well. Dave here. It looks better, man. That looks better when the light hits me. Oh boy. Anyways, coming up to another daily blog. Damn, I'm looking fat. I could never. I started working in the gym and I'm starting to feel fat again. And I'm not even eating that much. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyways, nothing to report today. I'm here at the, I'm here naturally at the farm. I'm going to get off for a little bit. I'm going to, I got, hey boy, what you doing, boy, huh? What you doing, my boy? Oh, look, boy, you like to get on top of me. Scratch me. What you like to do. Anyway. Heck, I'd be doing a lot better with this thing than a selfie stick. Actually, I have a selfie stick there. But you know what? I don't think I have that screw. Oh my gosh. My phone is ringing. And I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to say I had to put the mask on. Not that I'm running any danger or anything, but a lot of gnats in the area. And gnats is going to get inside your nose, inside your eyelids, inside your mouth. I was like, my God, these things are hungry. They don't let you walk right or do anything outside. Stupid gnats are all over the place. Anyway, let me show you the field out here. It's pretty much been cultivated. Pretty much. See, nothing else to be done other than just let the land rest. We're gonna let it rest for about a month or so. It's the only thing logical to do. Let the land rest and then we can continue. We're actually planning to put some yellow corn, so that's gonna be our next project. Other than that, it looks pretty swell, pretty smooth. Everything's working fine. I'm gonna drive up to the end of the property, and I thought I needed a selfie on this thing. This thing works out pretty good. Damn gnats are still in here, but they ain't gonna be able to do a damn thing because I got the mask on. They can kiss my, well, you know. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna turn the truck around. And get on over here to mute the radio because I don't want any copyright restrictions. Get on over here. We're gonna put the camera forward now. Pretty much, no, I guess everybody's gone already. Yeah, I thought everybody was still be working, but I totally forgot. It's gonna be 8 p.m. already. It's gonna be 8. I was so busy in town bringing dinner and so forth that I totally lost track of time. All the workers are gone. I'm the only one here now. So I'm still going to head over here and make sure that the workers shut the gate. told them several times. They've been told several times. I didn't tell them. They've been told several times to shut these gates. We don't want ATVs or foreign trespassers. We don't want any type of trespassers coming into the property here at all. So, sure enough, as always, they don't listen. They leave everything open. That one's open, no big deal. I'll close that one in just a bit. I'm going to head on over here and see if they at least close the one in the center where the pumps are at. I'm going to bring this down because the sun is so strong. Go ahead and close one of the gates, and I gotta make sure these gates are closed because trespassers, especially those that like hanging around in those ATVs, like going in here and start pretty much destroying whatever we have created in there, just for the mere fact that they love to destroy things. And they have no respect for other people's personal property. They think that this is their land. They can do whatever they want. And that's totally wrong. But, I'll close one more gate here. It's pretty much getting as a daily habit. And this is becoming too much BS. Let's start locking up the mechanism. Get back to the truck. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this mask off. No more gnats in here. Well, there's a few, but not enough to suffocate the hell out of me. Man, those masks are real tight on your face. Make it even harder to breathe. Might head back to the barn and check up on some things there. I need to run into town real quick and buy a large bottle of silicone glue, but that can be done later on tonight. Anyways, there's really nothing going on. There's as you can see, fields are pretty much cultivated. It's not cultivated on this side yet, but we're getting to that. You know, it's a slow process. It's a lot of fields to cultivate, so we'll do what we can. Trying to get those gnats out. But we'll see in tomorrow's blog. Hope everybody's doing fine. I hate doing these quick blogs. There's really nothing going on. Maybe I should just skip it to maybe just once a week and report what's going on during the week. Other than that, other than just watching the grass grow, we're not planting anything right now, so maybe just bring it down to maybe once a week until things pick up again. So, y'all have a good day. Have a safe week, and God bless.